Everything that hits me in life, I've dealt with my own. I cried myself to sleep, picked myself up, and wiped my tears. I have grown from things meant to break me. I get stronger by the day. I have been lied to, been cheated on, mistreated, abused, taken for granted, being called too sensitive, and so on. And now, it's time to just be happy again. I am determined to never let fear stop me. So I pushed away my doubt and followed my intuition, and I began this new adventure. Here I am learning to talk about things that I am passionate about. I also learned that nothing is impossible in this world. Nothing. So I wake up every day with the undefiable determination to prove that to myself. I believe that we all should do what makes us great. It might be scary and uncomfortable in the beginning, but it's definitely going to pay off. I am grateful for all the struggles because without it, I wouldn't be the woman that I am today. More passionate, more fantastic, more soft, more intuitive, more fun, and most of all, more me. I am full of mistakes and imperfections, so therefore, I am real. My life just have to keep going this way.